Hello everyone. Today, this is the second video for the non-verbal reasoning questions. We'll look at the nets and cubes today. Now, question: which cube can be made from the given net? Okay. The text underneath: identify which faces cannot end up adjacent, means next to each other. Okay. Then check the cube patterns. Okay. This is not from the original questions. This is given as a hint from me. Okay. Now, you are given one net, which is on the left, and then 5 different cubes. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you need to identify which of the cubes can be made from the net, and all the other 4 cannot because the patterns do not match. Okay, now the key for this one is that you look for which one you know for sure they can't be next to each other, and if they are, then that's the wrong one. And also look for the directions of the patterns. Okay, for example, the 3 black dots in the middle, that's pointing at the X, pointing at the white circle. So A straight away is wrong because the 3 dots is not pointing at the white circle, it's parallel to it. Okay, for the same reason, B is wrong. The 3 dots are not pointing at X, so A, B are wrong. And then using this method, you can eliminate the ones that are wrong. Then you get the one left. That's the correct one. Okay. A good practice is to draw and cut out the nets and play with them. Okay. To get the first-hand experience. It's really good practice for children as well. Okay. Now we'll look at another kind of question, the codes. Okay. Let me get it. Okay, for this one, it says, which code matches the pattern at the end? Okay, you've got a pattern on the top and get 2 letters as the code, so the code is for that pattern. Then you have one of the patterns at the end got no code. You need to choose the code for that. So and A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so one of them is the code for this mysterious pattern. So reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. Reasoning means you need to look for the trend, the common features. Okay, so now by looking at the code AYAX, okay, they have one A in common. So we need to say what that means the shape, the pattern they represent must have something in common. So the common thing between them is the outside big triangle. So we can for sure say A represent outside shape, and A is the triangle. Now for that, you know B represents outside square, and C is outside circle. Okay, so then if we look at the BZ and CZ, okay, BC we know what they represent. Z represent inside, must be. It could be the inside shape, it could be the pattern or the texture inside. So we're not sure. Now, because BZ, CZ, they all have small triangle inside. So regardless of what pattern inside to fill the triangle, they're all Z. So therefore, Z means the small triangle, regardless of the pattern, the texture inside. Okay. So we know the first letter outside big shape. A for triangle, B for square, C for circle. Inside, X for triangle, X for square, Z for triangle, and Y for circle. Now the mysterious pattern we have got is a square inside a square. Therefore, it's BX. Now we just need to look for BX. Is BX in the options? Yes, E. Therefore, E is the correct answer. Okay, so that's one. So today we've got 2 types of questions covered. Okay, enjoy it.